Hey guys, this tool will completely change the way you work. Let's talk about the launch X-431 Turbo 3. My name is Genesis and I'll be taking over this week. Tool Review Tuesday. Number 1, lightning fast performance. This thing runs on a 2.0 GHz octa-core processor with Android 10, which means no lag and instant diagnostics, even with heavy tasks. Number 2, unmatched vehicle coverage. It supports over 100 US, Asian, and European brands. Whether it's a Toyota, a BMW, or GM, you'll be ready. Number 3, advanced functions built in. We're talking ECU coding, bidirectional control, key programming, and model replacement. It's like having a dealership level scanner in your hands. However, this is a premium tool, so it comes with premium price. But if diagnostics are a core part of your business, it pays for itself fast. So, if you're ready to level up your diagnostic game, the launch X-431 Turbo 3, it's available now at Locksmith Keyless. Tap our link in our bio and order yours today.